Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about 5 important terms in cybersecurity. And those are true positive, true negative, false negative and benign true positives. So first let's talk about true positive. Imagine you have a security system that's designed to spot hackers. So one day the system detects a hacker trying to get into your computer. This is a true positive. Why? Because the system correctly identified a threat. A hacker was trying to break in. It's a real positive threat and the system got it right. Think of it like a home security alarm going off when an intruder is actually trying to get into your house. The alarm goes off and you catch the bad guy, so that's a true positive. Next is true negative. A true negative is when the system correctly identifies that there's nothing wrong. No threat, no hacker, no malware. Let's say that your computer is running perfectly fine and the security system checks everything and says everything is safe, no threats detected. This is a true negative. The system correctly identified that nothing harmful is going on. It's like your home security system telling you no one tried to break in last night and everything is normal. Third one is false positive. This happens when system incorrectly thinks something is a threat when it's actually not a threat. Imagine your security system detects a harmless file and says this file looks suspicious, maybe it's malware. You get an alert, but when you check it, the file is perfectly safe. This is false positive. The system raised an alarm, but it was a mistake. The file was actually harmless. It's like your home security system going off when, even though you know there's no intruder, it's just an unnecessary alarm. False negative. This is when the system misses an actual threat, which means that it doesn't detect something harmful when there's something really harmful out there. So let's say there's a virus on your computer, but your security system fails to detect it. The system doesn't flag it at all and you don't get any alert. So this is false negative. The system missed the threat. It's like your home security system ignoring a burglar breaking into your house. It's dangerous because it lets the threat slip by unnoticed. The last one is benign true positive. This happens when the system correctly identifies that something is a threat, but in reality, it's actually harmless. So, for example, let's say a security system scans a file on your computer, it flags the file as potential malware. The system was right to be cautious. It thought it was a threat, but after you checking it, you realize that the file is actually harmless. So these are one of the main threat classifications that you can use in cybersecurity, especially for incident response. If you have any clarifications to be done, please drop them down in the comment section and I'll answer. Thank you.